Hello friends, you're welcome back to class. Alright, it's another edition of solving questions on multiplying fractions of different denominators. I'm going to walk you through the part on how to solve questions on multiplying fractions with different denominators. Let's get right into it. Solution. Question 1. We have 8 wholes 3/5 times 2 wholes 5/8. Now, before we start solving this question, we first of all need to expand the fraction. Okay, we need to convert it to an improper fraction first before we multiply the fraction. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 plus 3 is 43 over 5 times 2 times 8 is 16, and 16 plus 5 is 21 over 8. Right? Now from here we're going to look at the numbers carefully, the fraction, if any number can go into any of them. Can 5 go in 43? It's impossible. Can 8 go in 21? Impossible. And note that when you're multiplying fractions like this, you can cross divide. You can divide diagonally or vertically. Okay, but you cannot divide horizontally. You can only divide diagonally or vertically. Now 8 cannot go in 43, neither can 5 go in 21. So what we're going to do is we'll multiply the numerators and the denominators together. Now this gives us what? 43 times 21 over 5 times 8. Now what's 43 times 21? 43 times 21. So that's 903 over 5 times 8 equals 40. Now how many times will 40 go in 903? How many times? Let's do a long division. So in 90 to go 2 times, which is 80, right? And then we'll have 103. In 103 it can also go 2 times, which is 80. Remainder 23. So the answer is 22 whole number 23 over 40. And that's the final answer. Since we're unable to reduce this fraction, we just multiplied the numerators together and the denominators together, and then we converted it to a mixed fraction. Question 2. 5 wholes 1/3 times 27 over 48 times 1 over 2. Now let's expand this mixed fraction to give us 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1, 16 over 3 times 27 over 48 times 1 over 2. Now looking at this fraction, we can actually reduce the fraction, right? 3 can go into 3, 1, and can go into 27, 9. 16 can go into 16, 1, and can go into 48, 3 times. Now left with what? 1 times 9 times 1 over 1 times 3 times 2. Now 3 can go here 1 and can go into 9 3 times, right? Now left with 3 over 2. What's the mixed fraction for 3 over 2? 2 can go into 3, 1, remainder 1 over 2. And that's the final answer for this question. I hope you're learning. If you're just joining, I'm your humble host, Faith Osemegbe Uhulu, your online tutor. Please do well to like the video, watch till the end, leave a comment, share the video, and also subscribe. Let's continue. Question 3. 3 wholes 3/4 times 1 whole number 2 over 5 times 5 over 12. Now the first thing to do is to expand the mixed fraction. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15 over 4 times 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2, 7 over 5 times 5 over 12. Now from here, 5 cross out 5, we're left with 4, 15, 7 and 12. Which other number can divide each other? 3 can go in 12 and can also go into 15. 3 can go into 12 4 times and can go into 15 5 times. So we have what? 5 times 7 over 4 times 4. Right? So from here we can now say 5 times 7 is 35 and 4 times 4 is 16. How many times will 16 go into 35? To go 2 times, remainder 3 over 16. Because 16 times 2 is what? 32. And 32 plus 3 is 35. So this is the final answer for question 3. 2 whole number, 3 over 16. And we cannot reduce this fraction because 3 cannot go into 16. Question 4. 5 over 8 times 9 over 10 times 1 whole 7, 9. Now let's expand this to give us 5 over 8 times 9 over 10 times 9 times 1 is 9 plus 7 is 16 over 9. Now from here, 9 can go into 9 once, 8 can go into 8 to give us 1, and into 16 to give us 2. Right? 5 can go into 5 to give us 1, and can go into 10 to give us 2. And these 2 can also go into each other to give us 1. So the final answer here is 1. We've been able to divide everything evenly to give us 1 as the final answer. Then we'll move on to question 5. We have 3 over 10 times 150 times 2 over 1. This 150 as a whole number is same thing as equating it over 1 to make it a fraction. 2 can go here 1 and can go here 5. Right? 5 can go here 1 and 5 can go into 150 30 times. Now we are left with 3 times 30. That gives us 90. And there you have it. I hope it's very easy for you to understand. It's not difficult. Please try to watch the video over and over again if you don't really understand, to gain what clarity. I'll see you in my next video. Please do not to like the video, share the video, and do not forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye.